Hi, doctor. My name is Ranjita Sriram. Biofuels offer a sustainable solution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing energy security. Traditional biofuels derived from food crops like corn and sugarcane have been pivotal in adopting renewable energy but raise concerns about food security and environmental impact. Second generation biofuels using non-food biomass such as agricultural waste and energy crops provide a more sustainable path forward. This presentation explores the key differences, benefits, and challenges of these two biofuel types and their roles in shaping a low-carbon energy future.
Hi doctor, my name is Lishanti Subramaniam and my metric number is 24005638. Today I'm going to explain about traditional biofuel. What is traditional biofuel? Traditional biofuel is one of fuel which is produced from food crops such as corn, sugarcane, wheat and palm oil. Traditional biofuel made through process like fermentation, palm oil extraction or transesterification. Traditional biofuel produce two main types which is bioethanol and biodiesel. Now I'm going to explain the importance of traditional biofuel. They have several importance. First one is traditional biofuel renewable energy source, which is have a huge impact and benefits towards environmental. Second one is traditional biofuel is produced from crops that can be replanted. Third one is reduce dependency on non-renewable fossil fuels. And the last one is help lower greenhouse gas emission, especially carbon dioxide. These are the importance of traditional biofuel. Okay, for now, I'm going to explain the application of traditional biofuel. Traditional biofuel is one of alternative to fossil fuels, which is mainly used in transportation. For example, bioethanol and biodiesel are key substitutes for fossil fuels. Okay, the fourth is the challenges of traditional biofuel. There are several challenges. The first one is competition with food supply. For example, crops used for fuel reduce the availability of food crops. Second one is environmental issues, which can cause us water and land pollution due to chemical fertilizer. And continuous planting leads to soil degradation. The third one is deforestation. Forests are cleared for agriculture land and leading to biodiversity loss. These are the challenges of traditional biofuel. There are few steps to improve traditional biofuel. First of all is sustainable agriculture practice, which is replant trees in areas with deforestation. And second one is reduce the use of harmful chemical fertilizer. The second point is forest management. Implement better forest management to protect biodiversity, which is decrease the negative effect of deforestation. The third point is technology advancement. Develop better technologies to increase energy efficiency. For conclusion, traditional biofuel is renewable energy source with environmental benefits.
A very good morning, doctor. My name is Kunasundri Anbalakan and my metric number is 24005658. Today I'm going to present about second generation biofuel. Second generation biofuel are also known as advanced biofuel and are any fuels that could be derived from numerous types of non-food biomass. Biomass is considered plant and animal waste which is used solely for fuel, and it is because second generation biofuels are derived from a variety of feedstock, it may take various technology to convert them into usable energy. For example, our second generation feedstock include agricultural, lignocellulosic biomass or woody crops, and specially grown non-food energy crops planted on marginal land incapable of supporting food stock. Next, I'm going to explain about the process of second generation biofuel. The first step in producing second generation biofuel is pre-treatment, which uses the chemical or mechanical techniques to break down the biomass lignocellulosic structure. And then with the help of enzyme or acid, the cellulose and hemicellulose are subsequently hydrolyzed into simple sugars which undergo the fermentation to produce the bioethanol. As an alternative, biomass is converted into bio-oil or syngas by thermochemical processes like pyrolysis or gasification, which are then refined into liquid fuels. And then the intermediate products that are produced are refined into fuels that can be used such as jet fuel, biodiesel, and bioethanol. Second generation biofuels have many benefits. Firstly, they are more sustainable as they use non-food crops and waste materials, minimizing the competition with food resources. They produce significantly lower carbon emissions than fossil fuels and help in waste management by converting agriculture and municipal waste into energy. Additionally, these biofuels enhance the energy security by reducing the dependence on fossil fuels and provide the flexibility in feedstock use and enabling the local biomass utilization. However, there are also challenges. First of all, the production process are expensive and technology demanding, particularly in pre-treatment and enzyme hydrolysis. Collecting, transporting, and storing biomass feedstock can be logistically difficult and costly. Moreover, the energy output of these biofuels is often lower compared to fossil fuels, and large-scale production of energy crops may still affect the ecosystem or compete with other land uses. Despite this limitation, second-generation biofuels are a promising source of clean and sustainable energy. Advancing technology and implementing supportive policies are crucial for reducing the production cost and improving the efficiency.
Hi doctor, my name is Dishanti Subramaniam and my metric number is 24005638. For this part, I'm going to explain about the comparative between traditional and second generation biofuel. They have 6 aspects. The first one is source of raw materials. For first generation biofuel, use food crops such as corn, sugarcane, wheat and palm oil. And for the second generation biofuel made from non-food biomass, including agricultural residues, forestry residues, and energy crops like switchgrass. The second one is impact on food security. First generation biofuel has a significant negative impact due to competition with food supply. But second generation biofuel doesn't have any negative impact on food security since it uses non-food biomass. Third one is environmental impact. First generation biofuel has a significant impact towards environmental. For example, intensive agriculture leads to deforestation, soil degradation, and water and land pollution. But second generation biofuel requires less land and water, which is reducing deforestation and minimizing pollution. The fourth one is production efficiency. First generation biofuel is comparatively high production efficiency. But second generation biofuel also usually higher energy efficiency. The fifth one is about production cost. First generation biofuel has a lower cost because it uses existing technology and infrastructure. But second generation biofuel is a higher production cost due to specialized equipment and complex process. And the last one is technology development. First generation biofuel use well-established and mature technology, but second generation biofuel rising with limited widespread adoption. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, today I'll briefly discuss the environmental and economic considerations of traditional and second generation biofuels. First, let's look at the environmental impact. Traditional biofuels made from food crops like sugarcane and soybean help reduce reliance on fossil fuels but have significant environmental downsides. Deforestation from crop cultivation harms ecosystems and increases carbon emission, while fertilizer runoff leads to eutrophication, degrading water. Second generation biofuels derived from agricultural and forestry waste are more sustainable since they don't compete with food crops or require deforestation. However, advanced processing technologies are needed to convert lignocellulosic material efficiently. Without proper management, these processes can still contribute to greenhouse gas emission. Now let's shift to the economic perspective. Traditional biofuels are affordable and supported by subsidies, but they depend on food crops, causing market instability and raising food security concerns. They are also limited in scalability without significant environmental trade-off. Now second generation biofuels offer better economic prospects by utilizing waste material and reducing reliance on imports. However, high cost for infrastructure, biorefineries and advanced technologies pose significant financial challenges. In short, traditional biofuels are cost effective but environmentally and economically challenging, while second generation biofuels are more sustainable but require substantial investment. Transitioning to second generation biofuels is critical for long-term sustainability. Thank you.
In summary, traditional biofuels have laid the groundwork for renewable energy, but their reliance on food crops limits sustainability. Second generation biofuels addresses these concerns, offering a cleaner and more sustainable alternative. However, challenges such as high cost and technological hurdles remain. Moving forward, advancing research, innovation, and policy support will be essential to unlocking the full potential of biofuels and achieving sustainable energy future.